Hey guys, it's Natalia and welcome back to my channel. I titled this video a get ready with me, but really it's a get decent with me because I'm just looking crazy. Look at these eyebrows. They say crazy. They have not been done in months. So recently I was watching someone's at-home waxing video and they said if you used baby powder, it will absorb the oil on your skin so that the wax sticks better and pulls the hair out. So I decided to test that out. So yeah, it was pretty quick. Actually, this baby powder did help make this process a lot faster than it usually is because I did not have to add 2 and 3 strips to the same area because it grabbed all the hairs that I needed the first time. So that was nice. And of course we have a mustache, so we need to wax that off as well. But yeah, this at-home waxing kit came from Sally Beauty and I'm just using hard wax. So with hard wax, you just lay down the wax, let it harden, and then pull it off so you don't need strips. It's pretty easy to use. You can also find this wax warmer and wax beads on Amazon as well, since I'm pretty sure Sally's is closed. Alright, so the next step of getting ready this day was doing my nasty 4-day-old hair, so I decided to curl it with my straightener. That's how I prefer to straighten my hair. So the first step was to get all these nasty oils out of my hair because it was literally 4 days since I washed my hair in this video, and I actually ended up running out of my Batiste dry shampoo, which was literally saving my life. But luckily I had a little travel size of the Dove dry shampoo in my bathroom, so thank God it saved the day. I could finish getting the nasty oils off of my scalp. And yeah, I just kept the first couple clips in real time, so if you don't know how to curl your hair with your straightener, you can see how to do it. It's super easy and you can achieve curly curls with it if you flip it one full time. If you only flip it halfway, you'll get more of a wave. So I'm starting on the left side of my head, flipping it one full time and pulling it all the way down to the end of my hair. And of course I'm sectioning my hair since I have a lot of hair so that I can make sure I get every single section that I need, and it's easier for me to keep track of what is already done. So I just repeat this process, and then for the right side of my head I do the same thing. I flip it one full time away from my face so that the curls are curling away. So yeah, I have been home for 1 full month at this point. I just got a text saying that I have to go back to work in 2 weeks, which is crazy because I feel like the pandemic is not over. And being a dental hygienist, I am very at risk for contracting this virus, and I'm not really too excited about that. But if I do get it, I will make a video. It's not a joking matter. I completely understand, and I have been affected by the virus as well with other people in my family, so we're not gonna get into it. But yeah, I'm finally at the end of my hair. It actually took me only about like 20 minutes and the curls stayed very well. So yeah, I thought I was going to part my hair on the left side, but I ended up parting my hair on the right side because my hair just does what it wants. So I just put some little barrettes in it. I also brushed through my curls, trying to not make them as tight, but that didn't really work. But it was fine. It was cute. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel down below. You can also press that little logo in the right to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.